I really love primulas, and this species here has probably got to be one of my favourites. This is Primula florindae, the giant Himalayan cowslip, and it's easy to see where it gets its name. These stems can be up to a metre or so in height, and they're topped off with these fragrant yellow bells. Unlike our native cowslip, Primula veris, which flowers in the spring, this is its best in August and September. Growing alongside it here is an orange flowered hybrid of Primula florindae. You just see it's coming to the end of flowering now. We've just got the last few flower buds here. However, this is really just getting going, and there's going to be weeks and weeks of colour from this one here, and it is now the start of September. So this is going to look glorious right through the whole of this month. All of these plants have very distinctive paddle-shaped basal leaves. It's characteristic of the species, makes them very distinctive. They're incredibly hardy. They grow in the wild in the Himalayas, so they are tolerant of incredibly low temperatures. But also the wonderful thing about these plants is that they can cope with winter waterlogging, which makes them very, very useful in this part of the world. And I've got them growing here in more of the wettest parts of the bog garden, where they're absolutely thriving. The other wonderful thing about this plant is that it self-seeds prolifically. So like all primulas, it does look really, really good planted en masse in great big drifts. And it's easy to achieve with plants like this because you only need a couple of plants and they will produce hundreds and hundreds of seeds, and you will then have lots of resultant seedlings that you can plant out through the garden to achieve the most incredible effect. And the perfume alone is worth growing them for. They really are the most wonderful primula.